Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draft the pattern of halter neck, and for that you will require your drafting paper, straight scale, French curve, measuring tape, marker and your bodice block. These are bodice block with darts and it is front and back bodice block. The link of the bodice block drafting is in the description box. Must check the link. And now we will start the drafting of halter neck. So this is my front bodice block with dart. Now I will trace the front bodice block. I will trace only one dart, that is waist dart. So now I have traced the basic bodice block with dart. This is my dart. And now I will mark the apex point, that is the pivotal point. From this point I will mark 1 inch point. So this is the pivotal point. And now I will draw the center front line, that is center front dart, which is from this point make a straight line. If you are confused that the length of this dart and this pivotal point, then the easy way is to measure from your nape area. This is my nape area. From this I will mark the pivotal point at 10 inches. So this is my 10 inches, which is my pivotal point. And now this is the center front dart. Now I will mark the neckline. So from this is approximately 7 inches. So I will join this point with this nape point in a straight line. So this is the marking of my neckline, which will be V neckline. So from this point, nape point, mark the area of 2 inches. Now I will make the strips to tie on my neckline. This is the point from which I will mark the line for strip. I will make the length of strip, that is 8 inches. You can also exceed till 12 inches. So mark the point of strip from this point. So now mark a point of 1.5 here. This is the point of 1.5, the wideness of my strip, and join this point with this point. So these are the strip points, and also join the both points. And now I will mark the armhole. For armhole, this is our side seam. Mark the point on our side seam, that is 1.5 down. So this is the point of 1.5 inches, that is down from corner of our armhole, and join this point with this point with the help of French curve. So after making the armhole with the help of French curve, and now manipulate your side seam, that is on this armhole, mark a point of 1.5 inch and join this point with this. And now for manipulating the dart, measure your dart length from this pivotal point to the waistline. And my total dart length is 6 inches. So my total dart length is 6 inches, and now I will divide it by 3, that is 2 inches. and now mark the point of 2 inches. Now this is the point of 2 inches, and now from this point mark the point of 1/4. This point I will mark a point of 1/4. And now this is the 1/4. From this point mark the 1/4. So this is also 1/4. And now manipulate your dart like by joining this point with this point and with the waist. So now I have manipulated my dart. Now my front portion of halter neck top is complete. Make the drafting of back of my halter neck. For that you will require back drafting of bodice block, that is with dart. And now I will trace the back bodice block. And for tracing the back bodice block you have to trace till only the armhole, that is from your waist area till your armhole. So now I have traced the back bodice block with the dart, and if you want to stitch the dart on your back of your top, then do not manipulate the dart, or if you do not want to stitch the dart, then manipulate your dart. How to manipulate your back dart? That is, the dart is 2 inches wide. So now I will mark the 2 inches point from the side seam. I will manipulate the dart from my side seam, that is, mark your point from your side seam, that is 2 inches, and this is the point of 2 inches. And now join this point with this point, and this is our front drafting of our halter neck top, and this is the back drafting of our halter neck top. Hope you all understand my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you. After cutting, your pattern should look like this. This is front and back of my halter neck. So in next tutorial I will show you how to do cutting and stitching of halter neck with this pattern. Thank you.